So YouTube can create partial income for you. Not only that, actually full-time income too. However, there is few things to know before you open the YouTube channel, monetize it, and actually start earning the money. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a full-time video creator on YouTube and other platforms. And now I can finally do it as my full-time job, if you will. But it took me a while to be here, and that's why I want to share this video with you, so you can decide for yourself if this is the right opportunity for you. Now, if you like making videos generally, YouTube is definitely one of the best opportunities. Not only you can make money directly from YouTube ads, but if you keep growing the channel, you can have sponsorships. There is also affiliate programs, like for example, I'm part of Amazon Associates program and Amazon Influencers program. So that's the reason I can do it full time. And overall, I feel really happy and blessed with what I'm doing, but I also wouldn't recommend it to every person, and here is why. So let me quickly break this into two groups of individuals. Now, if you are a person that is looking for some extra income, maybe you want to build some source of revenue for the future that doesn't necessarily make the money right away, but yet it has tremendous potential, and you're willing to put the effort and wait for the results to come, especially financial results, and you're okay with the idea that average channel takes between 3 months and 1 year to actually get monetized. Keep in mind some channels even longer, and additionally you don't need this income right away. Struggling financially, you pay your bills on time as it is, and this would be for you just additional source of revenue, then I would say 100% go for it, because YouTube is really cool and it can bring you really nice results financially too, whether you want to promote some company you just created or make revenue from the ads or other things I mentioned before, then I gotta say this is a really great way to go. However, on the flip side of that, if you're struggling with the credit cards, maybe you're behind your bills or at least struggle with your bills, and you need to create some revenue right away, I'm talking today or yesterday, then I actually wouldn't even recommend opening the YouTube channel, simply for the same reason I mentioned before, because it will take some time and you need to sustain the channel for a long period of time to get the results. And if you're really struggling financially, there is unfortunately a big chance that you can quit before you get to the results, simply because you're not gonna be able to sustain the financial pressure. So in this situation, for example, if you have $15,000 worth of the credit cards debt, I would actually work some extra hours, get some extra gig, or do anything that will bring the income right away. I would definitely pay off these credit cards right away or as soon as possible, and then you can open the YouTube channel. Because if you're not gonna have the pressure that you have to get the money right away, you will first of all make better videos, because you're not gonna rush with the videos and you're gonna be willing to learn and spend extra time for this journey. And that's exactly how better results will come, because the best results come from your passion. If you truly want to do it and you're happy with it, then you're automatically gonna achieve more on YouTube, because you will produce the content you want to produce and not because your financial situation pushes you to do the videos. And not only that, but you will also feel free. You will not put so much pressure on these videos because you're debt free and you're making videos you're actually enjoying to produce. Now, everyone's situation is different. Personally, I was struggle financially with my family before, and because of my wife and I believed in this journey, it finally paid off, and now we make over $10,000 from this YouTube and other platforms. But it took very long time to be here, and there were actually days when I didn't know I'm gonna make it. So that's exactly the reason I recommend you don't put so much pressure on yourself, because not every single spouse is gonna support you for a few years before seeing actual results, although your results might be faster. So thank you very much for watching. If you're interested how much I get paid from YouTube only from very low views, click this video right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.